Today's tip deals with your audience score, or how your audiences rate your performance. Now, of course, we all would like to get 100%. What do we need to do to get it? First of all, if your audience believes you, that's your credibility. If your audience really believes what you're saying, they give you 40%. If your audience likes you, that's likability. And if they really like you, you get another 40%. The message, if they find it interesting, they really take something home from your speech, they give you 20%. Interesting, but don't let that fool you, because the message is still most important. But a well-prepared, well-written, and well-rehearsed message will give you the confidence to be credible, likable, and the message interesting. So that is your 100%. I'll be back with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.